Revisiting the Schumacher SE-2352 and reviewing the other models that are the older analog design. My thought is with the 2 amp and the 35 amp, looks like the rating down here, notes, that's the input and the output related, which 30 amps intermittent, I don't know if that's right, but maybe there's something with a transformer, kind of like a capacitor, can hold a higher current instead of have that intermittent discharge when the electromagnetic field collapses, something like that. Anyways, in regards to a meter, I could do the more modern, not flat leaf Russian KLC, but where is it? Not the battery one. I do have this more fancy meter. I don't want to go that fancy. That's going to be for the higher voltage kilowatt meter, the 240 volt. But what I found was, I was looking at the toaster oven parts I have. I don't think there's going to be much from the microwave unless I go really controlled, you know, and then I could have like an interface for timing, but that's just way too much. But why not put a mechanical timer in here for the 2 and the 35 amp? Well, it'd probably be the input actually, just for the input. But I am kind of, yeah, I would do that just for the input. Hopefully it'd be okay, intermittent for the 200 amp. But I've got these 2 timers and they're done. But I just tested them out. So this is gross. Sometimes the outside's kind of gross on some of these free items. A good timer here. This one's, you hear that ticky? And then this one, so that's a 15 amp. I don't know what's 16 amps. That's kind of, I don't really, is that a typo or what? But it's good though. So that's good. I guess I can even have the LED present as well, wired in. And then there's switch options, so I could replace the switches with a rotary switch. Debating about that. And I don't think I need to dial anything in with a more precise, like variac or rheostat. There's a name for that. Rheostat? Is that the right term? Variac? It's not really a variac, but like a variable AC pot. Yeah, so that's all my parts for these. But it gave me an idea, though, that timer would possibly use that. So I'll have to look a little more into wiring up. Oh, and the rating for this one's saying 13 amp for the 13 amp for the 120 and 16 for the 240. Read that over there. Get over there. But 16 for the 250, I guess, actually. Yeah. So, yeah, that rating seems close enough. But I'll have to think about using that. I might have to put like a what do you think about this? A resistor, a resistive load, something in between for that extra difference, because I'm guessing that line out is going to be 15 amps peak, maxing out, at least with that 200 amp surge. I'm going to have to draw this out again, and I'll try to, again, start editing videos again, and, you know, I'm not doing a good job at it. It's kind of frustrating me. I need to write down, like, on a dry erase board to do this, but draw out the schematics, photograph those, and then edit into the videos. Maybe I'll try doing that in this one. I doubt I will, but we'll see. I'm kind of busy at the moment, so girlfriend's over, but I'll see what I can do. I should try do that. So she has been motivating me to do some other stuff, so that's helpful. And get moving on these projects too. So anyways, be safe, stay healthy, and until next time, learn something new. Bye for now.